The design of the first door we're going to show you today is so fascinating that we could spend hours watching it open and close over and over again. The base is a metal frame on which the rotating gates slide to one side. As the two corners of the door are rounded, an additional wooden element at the bottom ensures complete closure. When the door opens, it automatically slides into the yard. You can find unusual and unique doors not only outside. This incredible design was installed in a room and serves as a secret door. The door was built using the same wooden boards that were used for the wall. Each wooden element is selected in such a way that when the door is closed, it's completely unnoticeable on the surface. This door, like the previous one, was designed and installed by specialists from the American company Covert Concepts. They work to increase the level of safety of people and their belongings. You might think that such inventions could only appeal to fans of movies about secret agents. However, these hidden doors can be very useful in case of an assault. In this design, a part of the wardrobe serves as the door. It should be noted that it has a built-in powerful electromagnetic lock capable of supporting a load of up to 540 kilograms. This means that the intruder will not be able to open the door. At the same time, the owner will have no problem opening it themselves. You just press the button on the control panel and the lock opens. Even the most ordinary cabinet can be upgraded by replacing the standard doors with these original ones. Each door consists of a total of 4 triangles. When you pull the handle, the triangles fold and rotate and the construction moves aside. When people buy a house with an incredibly beautiful view, the last thing they want is to hide it or spoil it with traditional doors. That is why the specialists of Sunx International have invented these doors that allow you to fully enjoy the wonderful view. In total, the door consists of 5 fully glazed panels. When you don't need the door, the construction folds and hides in a special opening in the wall. In this way, it looks like there's no door. The boundary between the room and the street is erased. Most importantly, nothing obstructs the panoramic view. An interesting design feature is that the system is automated and works at the touch of a button. Although the width of this corridor is 6 meters, the door opens and closes very quickly. The complete cycle takes approximately 1 minute. The door system works almost silently as well. This apartment will surely please people with unstable moods. Surely there are people among our viewers who feel like they want to renovate their home every 2 months. The system you see on the screen allows you to change your home in a matter of seconds. Entire walls move, transforming the whole apartment. The layout of the house changes in a matter of seconds. This interesting feature allows you to take full advantage of the potential of the house and enables you to not feel limited without even paying more for additional square meters. It will be ideal if you have a visitor and need more space in the living room to accommodate everyone. The walls move in such a way that they hide the bedroom, giving more space to the guests. When everyone goes home, the walls move again, now to hide the living room and expand the bedroom. Curiously, the furniture functions as the walls and doors of this apartment. That's why the room, regardless of its configuration, looks good and complete. The wall panels move on special rails attached to the ceiling. In addition, they're not heavy at all, so anyone can rearrange the house. It's time to go back to the outside doors and gates. The British company Retractable Doors installs these mechanized systems. On the outside, the construction resembles a common garage door. However, it has a special feature. The system consists of two flexible wooden panels. When the owner presses a button on the control panel, the leaves start moving aside. In this way, the door completely covers the aperture, but at the same time doesn't take up extra space when it's open. Doors with a similar working principle are becoming increasingly popular today. And there's nothing surprising about it. Modern people are simply not willing to lose a few meters of space. And if you have a garage of your own, you probably don't want the floor to take up too much space as well. This is a particularly sturdy design. This is because the doors slide on two rails, on the floor and on the ceiling. Canada is famous for its cold winters and strong, fierce winds. Living and working in such a climate can be very difficult. In the countryside, people have to get creative to protect their agricultural machinery from the harsh weather. A good example is the door you see on the screen right now. These are the Easy Lift bifold doors. This product was designed to withstand the loads it'll be subjected to during operation. Engineers have worked hard to make the door resistant and durable. Easy Lift bifold doors are an improved alternative to hinged and roll-up doors. When closed, the door leaf fits perfectly into the opening from all sides, preventing wind and cold air from flowing through it. The door can then be equipped with a manual or electric lock. Interestingly, it not only protects against thieves, but also serves as a tool to create additional pressure, providing a higher level of isolation from external factors. The manufacturer states that this door will not move or shake, even under strong winds. People living in areas with adverse landscapes often have difficulty installing doors. The fact is that if access roads go up a slope, the leaves simply get stuck in the ground. California is famous for its hills, so it's no wonder that Gates Los Angeles has a solution to this problem. What you see on the screen is a door that opens smoothly, even on a slope, thanks to a special mechanism. When the doors open, they also tilt slightly. The last door we'll show you today saves space in the best possible way. In this case, in the yard of the house. Instead of swinging open, the door moves to one side. From below, they're equipped with small but sturdy wheels. The rails on which the wheels slide provide the construction with additional reliability and durability. Thanks to this system, the leaves don't jam and move quickly in a perfectly straight line. Another advantage of this door is its remote control. You can open the gate without even leaving the car. Just press the button on the remote control. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time, incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. the power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.